Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In the last video, I have explained you BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, which is also known as Thales theorem. Through this video, I'll try to make you understand theorem on areas of similar triangle, which is also known as TOAST. Right? In short form, you call it as TOAST. So I'm talking about theorem on areas of similar triangle. So in this case, again I repeat, I won't be writing the statement, but I will be explaining you the statement, right? As per the statement, what we have, let me tell you the statement first, then I'll be explaining. Statement is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. I repeat, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of ratio of their corresponding side. Means what we have as per this theorem, let's take two triangle. First triangle is A, B, C. Second triangle is P, Q, R. Right? So as per this statement, what is given to us, let me write in the given part. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And what we are supposed to prove in the proof part, as per the statement, what statement is saying? Statement is saying the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This ratio is equals to ratio of their corresponding squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides, which means AB square upon PQ square equals to BC square upon QR square equals to AC square upon PR square. Right? So let's start with the proof part. Right? So for before proof, when we are talking about areas, in the last video, as I have explained you, when we are talking about areas of triangles, we must have height. If height is not given, we should think of constructing the height. So let's say I'm constructing height of triangle ABC. So let's say this is, in this case, this is any point D. In this triangle PQR, let's say this height is PM. Right? This is our construction. So we will be mentioning this in the construction part. So in the construction, right, we are writing draw AD perpendicular to BC and PM perpendicular to QR. I hope this is clear, right? So what we are supposed to do, what is given to us, first thing, in the given part we have both the triangles are similar, and when the triangles are similar, that means their sides are in proportion. So let's start with the proof part. As per the proof part, first thing, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, we can write directly AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR. Let's label this as 1, right? And as the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles must be equal. That means this angle B will be equal to angle Q, and angle C must be equal to angle R, right? So we are going to take any one side. When I'm saying one side means what? We will compare, we'll prove this triangle ADB and triangle PMQ similar. Either you compare ADB and PMQ, or ADC and PMR. Choice is yours, right? So after this, as I said, as the triangles are similar, their angles must be equal. Therefore, I'm taking it as angle B equals to angle Q. Let's label this as 2, right? So as I told you earlier, when we are talking about ratios of areas, that means we need height already we have constructed, and our required result is we need to get AB square upon PQ square, BC square upon QR square, and AC square upon PR square, right? So let's start with the first. We need to prove ADB and PMQ similar. So I'm writing in triangle ADB and triangle PMQ. First thing, angle ADB equals to angle PMQ, and you all know what is the reason here, each of 90 degree. Hope this is clear to you. Second, what we have, angle B equals to angle Q. Angle B equals to angle Q. You may write from 2, or you may write you have already proved. Therefore, what we are getting, friends, we are getting triangle ADB similar to triangle PMQ by what? By AA test of similarity, right? So as these two triangles are similar, therefore definitely their sides will be in proportion, which means therefore what we can write, we can write AD upon PM equals to DB upon MQ equals to AB upon PQ. So when two triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion. You may also write it as CSST, which means corresponding sides of similar triangles. If you wish, you can write here, I repeat, CSST, which means corresponding sides of similar triangles. Going ahead, as we need the area of these triangles, ratio of areas of this triangle. So first I'm writing area of triangle, let's label this as 3 as well. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. As in the last video we have discussed, when you're finding the ratio of the areas of triangles, half of will get directly cancelled, which means base 1 into height 1, which is BC, into height 1 is AD, upon base 2 into height 2, which is QR, into PM. Hope this is clear. This can be written as PC by QR into AD by PM. Now tell me, BC by QR is equals to what from here? BC by QR is AB by PQ. AD by PM is what from second one? AD by PM is again AB by PQ. That means these two ratios both are equals to AB by PQ into AB by PQ, right? Which gives us what? Same ratio, which means AB square upon PQ square, right? So our final result is what? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, which is equal to, already we have proved, AB square by PQ square, which is again equal to what? Here what we can say, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Therefore, I repeat, here what we have, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Therefore, AB square upon PQ square is BC square upon QR square. So this will become AB square upon PQ square is BC square upon QR square. I repeat again, BC upon QR is what? AC by PR. So its square will be equals to AC square upon PR square. Therefore, BC square upon QR square equals to AC square upon PR square. Hope it is clear. So hence what we can conclude that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Let me quickly revise this, right? So I repeat the statement, this is known as areas of similar triangle, right? So people, in short form, people also call it as TOAST, that is theorem on areas of similar triangle. I repeat, theorem on areas of similar triangle, right? So where these two triangles are already given that they are similar, as they are similar, right, therefore their sides are in proportion, therefore this angle B equals to angle Q. We need to prove area of ABC upon area of PQR is equals to AB square upon PQ square equals to BC square upon QR square equals to AC square upon PR square. In these triangles, first, based on given, we have written ABC is similar to PQR. Here you may write in the bracket for your reference that from where we are writing, this is given. Therefore, their sides are in proportion. These triangles are equal. Then we are comparing, we are proving ADB and PMQ similar by AA test, and then their sides will be in proportion, as we are finding the ratio of the areas. Therefore area of the first triangle is base 1 into height 1 upon base 2 into height 2. This can be written as this one. From there, BC upon QR is what? BC upon QR is AB by PQ, and AD by PM is what? Again AB by PQ. So both ratios, these ratios, BC by QR and AD by PM, both replaced by AB by PQ, AB by PQ. So hence it will become AB square upon PQ square. But already we know that AB by BC is what? Sorry, AB by PQ is what? BC by QR, and equals to what? AC by PR. Therefore, this is our required result. Right? This is known as theorem on areas of similar triangles. Hope you have understood. You may pause the video and you can write it. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you will like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching this.